so this f of g notation is shorthand for f of g of x. So it means we're going to plug g into f. So I'm going to plug g in, substitute the x's in f with the whole g function. So it's going to be the square root of 2 over x minus 4. And that's your answer. For the domain of this, what you have to consider is the domain of the results. So you're looking at this and you're like, okay, well, I've got a square root, so I need to make sure that 2 over x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. And it's kind of interesting, like it'll be equal to 0 at 4, but I know I can't equal 0 because that's on the bottom, right? So that would be bad. So I'll put an open dot on 4. And if I plug in anything bigger than 4, it'll be positive. And if I put in anything less than 4, like a 3, 2 over 3 minus 4 is negative 1, so that's negative. So I just want the positive, so I want all this stuff. So I know that x has to be greater than or greater than 4 for sure. What I also need to consider is that when I'm doing these compositions is the domain of the inside. The inside function has to exist first before I plug it into f. So I need to take a look at g and incorporate its domain, and that's just x not equal to 4, and make sure that I have that included. And yeah, that this one doesn't need any more limitations because it's already included. So x has to be greater than 4. Notice that I don't need the domain of the f, the original f. Here, like x would have to be greater than 0, and that's, well, here it didn't matter, but it doesn't matter in general. Okay.